How to mute someone's story on Instagram. It only works on phones, so find your Instagram app and open it. Step 1. Tap and hold on to a specific story. Then tap on the mute option. After that, you can either choose the mute story or mute story and posts option. Step 2. Tap on 3 dots on any specific post. Then choose the hide option. After that, tap on mute that person. Also here, either choose mute posts or mute posts and stories. Step 3. Tap on your Instagram profile first. Then, go to the following. After that, search for the specific person to hide. Now, tap on 3 dots. Then choose the mute option. Then choose either mute posts or mute stories here.